In today's video, I want to show you how you can utilize YouTube Shorts, which is a feature from YouTube that was introduced about the end of September, end of October last year to grow a channel a lot faster in 21. But specifically, how you can utilize YouTube Shorts to grow a gaming YouTube channel rapidly. And as always, if you think I missed anything throughout the video, let me know down in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions or concerns that I missed or you might have. So what are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts were introduced late of 2020, around the beginning of October. And a lot of people say it was YouTube's answer to TikTok because they are so similar. There are two main differences between a YouTube Shorts and a regular YouTube video. The first difference is the YouTube Shorts are meant to be consumed on your phone and not on desktop. So they are a mobile feature. Because of that, the format of a YouTube Short is different. This YouTube video is filmed in a 1920 by 1080. But a YouTube Short is actually filmed the other way around. It's a 1080 by 1920 so that it fits a mobile screen perfectly. The other requirement is that a YouTube Short, in order to be categorized as a short, needs to be less than 60 seconds long, just like a TikTok. So why do YouTube Shorts work so great? The answer is relatively simple. YouTube Shorts don't rely on the YouTube tags. For example, if you upload a video to YouTube, if you don't really have an established audience already, then you are solely relying on your tags and your keywords to make it into YouTube search, to rank, and then for people to search a topic and find your video. YouTube Shorts is a little bit different. There are no tags and there are no thumbnails, at least off right now, there isn't. That means just like TikTok, everything is based on recommendations. While you are scrolling through YouTube on your phone, maybe at bed at night, you will see some YouTube stories and you will see YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts are simply YouTube recommending shorts to you. And that means that any channel, no matter the size or the authority in whatever niche it is, can actually blow up based on a YouTube Short. Let me give you an example of how I utilize YouTube Shorts. So this is my gaming YouTube channel, and this is an experiment that I wanted to do. So what I did was I created a brand new YouTube channel for my stream highlights because I didn't want to put them on the main YouTube channel you're watching this video on. So what I did is I created YouTube Shorts besides the live streams that you see here as well and put them on this channel. And as you can see, a lot of these have gotten 24,000 views, 2,800 views, 11K views, 48,000 views, 50K views, 10K views. And this has led to almost 400 subscribers. This is all within 1 month. I started this channel at the beginning of 2021. My friend Newman, who is also a streamer, put some stuff up on his gaming YouTube channel as well to try this out. And his first short that he uploaded got 53,000 views. Now keep in mind, neither of us are huge streamers or have huge YouTube channels. This is really without any promotion, just based on the YouTube Shorts. And this is just an example to show you that whatever you upload, if it is interesting and people click it, YouTube will keep recommending it and recommending it and recommending it. So how do YouTube Shorts work? How does the recommendation work? When you upload your YouTube Shorts, it will take quite a bit of time for YouTube to categorize it as a short. It can actually take up to 1 or 2 weeks for YouTube to recognize your video as a YouTube Shorts based on the format that it is in and the duration less than 60 seconds. But once recognized as a YouTube Shorts, YouTube will start putting it on the recommended page on the YouTube Shorts for people to scroll through. Now, if people see that YouTube Shorts, if they stick with the YouTube Shorts and even like it or commented it, then YouTube will recommend it to another batch of people. If that batch of people also likes the short and commented or watches it, it will recommend it to a larger batch of audiences and so on. And you get that snowball effect that even led to 50,000 views in a single day on one YouTube Short. Now on the downside, if the video is not received well, YouTube will kill the video immediately and not recommend it to anyone anymore. So let me give you a couple tips on how you can make your video almost guaranteed to be recommended. The first and most important thing that you need to keep into consideration is that a YouTube Short needs to have a high retention rate. With it being such a short video, you need to aim for an 80 to 90% retention rate to actually have YouTube recommend it any further. This is the most important factor. So I would even argue that a 60-second video can be pretty long if you don't give people what they were looking for right at the beginning. I would say for your first YouTube Shorts, try and keep it less than 30 seconds. Nowadays, people don't have a lot of attention span. They scroll through pretty fast if they don't think that this video will be interesting within the next 5 or 10 seconds. And that leads me to the other point. You need to give the audience something right from the start. If there is nothing happening right at the start, chances are people are going to scroll through. The third tip is, because there are no thumbnails or YouTube tags that play a role in your popularity of the YouTube short, the only thing that you have control over is the title of the short, and that is only up to the first 30 to 40 characters. So make sure that your title is on point and gets people to click on it. Lastly, to end your YouTube short, just make sure you ask people to like, share, and subscribe if they enjoyed the YouTube short and if they stuck around that long. I think YouTube shorts are a great way to gain some kind of level of recognition for your gaming YouTube channels. There is, however, one big downside to YouTube shorts, and that is that YouTube shorts are not monetized. If you are a new channel, YouTube shorts don't count towards your watched hours. As a new YouTube channel, in order to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours watched. Well, YouTube shorts, where they can rack up a lot of time and a lot of views really quickly, they do not count, as of recording this video at least, towards your watch time. So you still need to make videos about something else, regular YouTube videos or live stream, to get those watch hours up and then be monetized in the end. Guys, this is it with the video. I hope it was somewhat helpful, and if you are trying to grow a YouTube channel with YouTube shorts, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to check it out. I would love to learn more about it. And hey, while you're at it, you have the YouTube short, why not upload it to TikTok as well and double down on it and maybe see if you can get some traction there too. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, if there was something helpful in here and you're still sticking around, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot, and I'll catch you guys next time.